Well, this is a Sultry. Wow, there's a big, gigantic, long Safeway truck over there. Coming from Solano, that's Solano going up that way, where that Safeway truck is. There was an annual fair. Now there's motorcycles. Oh my God. There is an annual fair that went on 3 hours ago, and it was just absolutely beautiful as usual. And I did take some videos of a lot of the stuff that was there. Please subscribe to my channel. Please press more and then about and donate to my GoFundMe. Merci beaucoup. Motorcycle noise. Who loves motorcycles? I love motorcycles, but I don't love the noise. Ear pollution. Don't want to go deaf. What's this truck gonna do? It is turning. No, it's going straight. Ingredients for life, Safeway. That's what it said on the truck. All right, please subscribe to my channel. Please press more and about. Donate to my GoFundMe.